Hello YouTube and welcome to fixitsamo channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the wiper blade cutter so you can reuse your windshield wipers and give them a second and third life. So let's get started. So this is our package. As you see, it comes with the blade cutter, instruction manual and a sponge. So if you notice, you got side number 1 and side number 2. Side number 1 is for the first use, side number 2 is for the second use, so you can actually trim your blade twice. Alright guys, so now we're gonna start the windshield wipers. You're gonna see they are very old and they are not in good condition. As you guys can see, they are in very bad shape. They don't even clean properly. You can still see the lines. So now it's time to remove our windshield wiper. I'm gonna remove it because I want to show you exactly how to trim it. You guys can keep it if you want. So as you guys can see, it's really old, and you guys can notice that it's uneven over here in the middle. So now we're gonna trim it and see if this tool really works or not. Okay, so now it's time to clean our windshield wiper. So what you're gonna use is a piece of cloth, or you can use the sponge. Put some water and start cleaning the windshield wiper all the way to the bottom, like this. So you see, you can remove all the dirt. You have to make sure that it's very clean, or else the blade is gonna get stuck and the cut is gonna be uneven. For the last time, we're gonna dry it too. And now, as you guys can see, the tool over here, you got number 1 and number 2. Do not use number 2 right away, or else you're gonna lose your second chance, which is you can trim this windshield wiper only twice. So if you go to number 2 right away, you cannot trim it again. So you start by number 1, and after a few months, you can use the number 2. So now, simply, we're gonna make sure that it's on number 1, and you're gonna apply equal pressure all the way down till the end. As you see now, it's cutting the blade, the windshield wiper. As you guys can see, that's how much it removed from the windshield wiper. It's like 2 millimeters, not even. And now you can see that the blade, the windshield wiper, is like really smooth. So now all what we have to do is to install it back and see if it really works. And now, after trimming the windshield wiper, it's time to install it. Okay guys, so now let's see if this wiper blade cutter did the job. We're gonna start our wiper and see the results. It's not bad actually. As you guys can see, it's working very well. And you don't see any marks. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe under fixitsamo, and we will see you next time.